Behind the AI front end lies the node-based programming system known as Salvation. Developed by Harrison Digital Media since 2000, Salvation is a mature application for visual programming and allows the user to have a huge amount of access to and control over the graphics pipeline. Once understood, programming in Salvation allows you to create generative content, useful applications and complex user interactive control systems for use within AI for your live shows, performances and installs. So, let's get a greater understanding of what we see in patch windows. For now, we won't worry about the patch itself, just the components. Here we can see a basic patch. We can see it's made from a series of modules which are interconnected by different coloured cables. The colours show that they are carrying different types of data. Blue carries control data, either a single numerical value to control properties such as rotation angles, or as an ordered list of values known as a vector, such as W, X, Y, Z location in space. The yellow signals route graphic streams between modules. It's worth remembering that any commands within a graphic stream are not executed unless the stream is connected to an on-screen window. The green connection carries GL textures between modules, which are typically a two-dimensional image or video file. On each module we have ports, either an upwards facing triangle for an input or a downwards facing one for an output. When disconnected, we see a black dot inside the port to signify that it's empty. As you can see, Salvation is fairly intelligent and won't let you connect an input to another input or the wrong data type to the incorrect socket type. When it's happy with the connection you are trying to make, the pointer will change into an arrow, prompting you to plug it in. New modules can be added to your patch by right-clicking in an empty area of the screen, choosing Insert Module and then selecting from the category menu. From the right-click menu we also have the option to add system patches. This is essentially a quick menu of commonly used and important patches. User-generated patches can be added to the list by saving them in the system folder. We also have the option to insert a pre-existing patch or even an empty patch. This allows you to mix and match your components of your patches when you need, instead of having to start from scratch every time. If you right-click an existing port, you can see the options to disconnect the cable that is plugged into the port and also to show or hide any connections.